Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn the last part of the tagging concept, that is nothing but how to push a tag into the GitHub. So now we have created the tags in our local machine. So these tags will be available in our local machine only. Now we need to, if we want to push these tags to the GitHub, means what we need to do. Let's try to do it. So normally what we can say is, so here let's try to see the remote. Okay, so right now we don't have any remote here, so let's try to add the remote to this project. So we don't have any remote repository, right? Let's try to add this to the remote repository. So now what I will try to do here, let's try to create a new project, that is nothing but git-tag. Okay, git-tag. So it is available. So I am creating a public repository, I am creating a repository. So now we have created a repository. So now we copy the remote here. Let's try to add it to this one. Git remote add origin, the name of this one. So now I am pasting here. So now I am adding a remote with the name origin. So let's try to check whether the remote is present or not. Okay, so fine. So now we will see the commits. So what are the commits we have made? So we have made something around 1, 2, 3. 3 commits we have made. So now let's try to push these all commits to the GitHub repository. So now what I will try to do, so let's clear it out. Git push -u origin master. So as this is a master, so let's try to push this one. So when I try to push this one, so what will happen? Let's try to see. So now we also have a tags in this one, right? So we already have a tags. We have created a v 1.0.0 or 1.0.1, something like that. If you try to see the tags, yeah, here we have created 1.0.0, 1.0.1, 1.1.0. So 3 tags we have created. So now when we push the master, so that means we are pushing entire thing to the GitHub repository. Let's try to see whether the git tags are also pushed into the repository or not. So if I try to refresh this page, the git-tag, now here you will be able to see that one branch has been created. So that is the master, we have pushed the master, but the tags, if you try to see here, there are only 0 tags. So that means you need to know that. So whenever you are pushing the code into the repository, so you need to remember that the tags are not defaultly pushed into the remote repository. So we need to push the tags separately. So normal push, if you want to do the, if you are doing means, so normal push means, so pushing the normal commits and the branches to the repository will not move the tags also. So now for moving the tags, what I need to do? So then we can push the tags to the remote repository in the 2 ways. That is pushing all the tags or pushing a specific tag. For example, let's see. If I want to push this specific tag v1.0.0, I don't want these 2 tags to be pushed to the remote repository. So now what I can do is I can use something like git push origin. So the name of the remote what I need to push, and you need to give the tag name. So that's it. So automatically the tag v1.0.0 will be pushed to the remote repository. Let's try to see. So now it is trying to push it to the origin remote repository. So let it push. Yeah, so it is trying to push. Yeah, so the new tag has been pushed to the remote repository. So if I go here and if I try to check the output, if I try to refresh it here, we will be able to see that one tag. Here one tag has been pushed. So 1.0.0. So the one tag has been pushed here. Now let's use, so now another way. So now I want to push all the tags, whatever the tags present in this repository. So whatever the tags I have created, I want to push all the tags at a time to the remote repository. Okay. So right now we have seen pushing only one tag to the remote repository. If I want to push all the tags that are available in the remote repository means, so just we need to do git push origin --tags. So now the tag, the remaining 2 tags what are available, 1.0.1 and the 1.1.0, these 2 tags will be automatically pushed to the remote repository. So the command you need to know is git push origin --tags. So this command will push all the tags to the remote repository. If you want to move only one specific tag means, so you need to know the command git push origin the tag name. So that's it. So now let's press enter. So after executing this command, what will happen? So the whatever the tags that are existing in the remote repository, so these 2 tags will be automatically pushed to the remote repository. So let's wait. So I don't know why my system is slow today. So it is trying to push slowly to the remote repository. So see, now here the 2 tags has been pushed to the remote repository. So let's try to see. what has happened. So now here if I try to see, all the tags has been came here. If you try to see here the releases, you will be able to see the releases also, you are able to see it here. So this is how we will be pushing the tags to the remote repository. For example, see, now I will try to open our what I can say is React. Okay, so we are having a React. So let's try to see the React projects, how they will be releasing. So now if you try to see here, there are 138 tags available in this one. So in this 138 tags, the latest one is the v17.0.2. In the releases, if you try to see here, they have given that latest release, something like that, 7. March. So released this on React DOM. What are the things they have given the description, everything. So if you try to observe our github.com. So if you try to observe ours, so how that will look, let's try to see git-tag. If we try to open this git-tag, now if you try to see the 3 tags, now if you go to the releases, so we are not able to see the releases. So their React is looking somewhat a latest release, and this guy has released this on particular date. So and so person has released this on so and so date, and what are the necessary information, he has given all the information, everything is there, but our latest tag is not appearing like this. So if you, in order to show this one like this means, so what we need to do is, here you can press the button draft a new release. Okay, whenever you click on this one, so you need to select the release. So here you need to select v1.1.0. okay, so here you will be able to see as a drop down what is the version number you want to mark it as release. So here v1.1.0, so the existing tag, and here you can release the title. So now you can say that tag latest version or something like that. So whatever the thing you want, you can release it. So here you can mention, so tag latest data. So here you can mention the star. So these are the points. So point 1, and here I can write something like what I can do. So point 2, something like this. You can mention all the points. If you try to see the preview, here you are able to see the preview, and that's it. So now let's try to publish release. So if I try to click on publish release, so let's see latest release, we are able to see same like this one. So how the React has released, so we are able to see. So here latest release, tag latest version. If you want to give whatever the name you want, you can give. Leela webdev released this now. So after some time the date will come. So here this is the heading, and here also he has given the heading. So he has given something like H2 or H3. We have given as H1, and here some points. What are the points you want to mention? You can mention it, and these are all the things. Okay. So this is how we will be giving. So here you will be able to see v1.1.0, and here releases you will be able to see. So other releases you will be able to see it here, and here tag latest version. This is the latest release. So this is how we can mark the tag as a release, and this is how we will be pushing the tags to the GitHub repository. Hope you understood about the tags concept. By this, I hope I have completed everything regarding the tags. So we'll move to another topic in that Git. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.